We have a very simple question here. We are to simplify as far as possible this expression. In other words, we are going to use the denominator to divide the numerator. This is very simple. The first thing to do is to factorize the numerator, which is a quadratic expression, after which we factorize the denominator and then use the denominator to divide the numerator. So let us factorize the numerator. We have the numerator as written. To factorize this, we have our s square here, and at this end we put 10, this 10, and then this s square here. Next, we are going to look for two factors or two numbers that we multiply to give us 10, and when we add or subtract them, it will give us 7. These numbers are 2 and 5, because 2 times 5 is 10 and 2 plus 5 is 7. So now we're going to arrange the two numbers in place of 7x. So we have plus 2x plus 5x plus 10. It doesn't matter which of the number you write first. You may decide to write the 5x first before 2x. You will still get the same answer. Okay? Now, let us group these terms. We have x squared plus 2x in one group, plus then 5x plus 10 in another group. Let us factorize this. If you look at this, x is common to both sides, so we're going to put x outside, open bracket, x squared divided by x, we are left with 1x, plus 2x divided by x, this x will simply strike out this and we are left with 2. Then plus, here what is common here? We have 5 here and 5 can divide 10, so the common factor here is 5. We put 5 outside. 5x divided by 5 will simply strike out this 5 and we are left with x plus 10 divided by 5 is 2. So at this point, look at this. X plus 2 is here and x plus 2 is here, which means x plus 2 is common to both sides. So we are going to factorize x plus 2 out. So we put x plus 2 outside and open bracket. This divided by this will simply strike out this and we are left with what? X. So let us put x here plus. Now this strikes out this and we are left with what? 5. That is why it is always commonly said that pick the numbers outside inside one bracket and pick one of the ones in bracket. That is why it is commonly said so. I just want to show you what is actually happening. Now, these are the factors of this quadratic expression. So we have got the factor here. Next is to factorize the denominator. So let us put it here. We have the denominator as s squared minus 4. This can be written as s squared minus 2 raised to power 2. Now we have difference of two squares, and when we factorize difference of two squares, this is what we get. We will have x minus 2 multiply x plus 2. So the factors are x minus 2 multiply x plus 2. If you should multiply these two terms, you get back this expression. So these are the factors of this. So now that we have got the factors of the denominator and numerator, we can now bring them together and do the division. So we have the numerator factors as s plus 2 in bracket x plus 5. This is the factor of the numerator. We are going to divide it by that of the denominator. All over x minus 2 in bracket x plus 2. Here what happens? X plus 2, we simply strike out this x plus 2 and our answer becomes x plus 5 all over x minus 2. Thank you very much for watching.